Hi, my name is Kostas Pantos, and in this small video I'm gonna show you how you can create a LightSwitch application to randomly draw two winners for the MSDN subscriptions given by ITProDevConnections event. I'm gonna start by creating a new project. It's going to be a LightSwitch application. I'm gonna name it ITProDev. And once the template has finished loading, I'm gonna be presented with a screen to choose the data source type. I will pick to attach to an external data source. It's going to be a database. I'm going to use my machine, use Windows authentication, and I'm going to select the database that I've created, which contains all the subscriptions for the IT Pro event. Once I've connected to the database, I can choose the tables that I want to expose to my application. For this sample, I will choose just the orders table, which contains all the data. And now the order table is available at my application. I'm going to create a new screen for that data. It's going to be an 8-double grid screen, which is going to present the orders from my database. And my screen is ready. If I run the application, it will just take a minute. And I can see that my application is connected to my database and all the data is available to my application. So next thing I have to do is first I need to disable paging so that all my data will appear on the first page of my grid. And then I need an extra button in the command bar, which is going to be draw winner, and I need a place to display the winner, so I'm going to add a new custom control, and as you can see I can choose from all the controls that are available in Silverlight. So I will choose a text block, and I will name it winner, and the code name will be txt winner. I'm going to stretch it so that occupies the whole area at the bottom of my screen. So all that remains to be implemented is the logic for the random selection of the winner. So I'm gonna right click the new button I've created and select the edit execute code option, which allows me to write code that will be executed when this button is pressed. So the first thing that I'll need is a timer, because I want to delay the random selection for a while. And the next, I'm gonna put this outside my method call. I'm gonna make it a global variable. to get a reference of the list of orders, I can easily do that by accessing the details, the order collection property of my screen. So that list contains all my orders now, and next I want to do, if my timer is not assigned, I'm going to start a new timer. I need to add in a reference, so I need a new timer callback. Which takes a state argument. This is a callback body. I'm gonna pass the list of orders as the state, so I'm gonna specify that I want to start my timer immediately. My callback to be executed every 100 milliseconds. So okay. Inside my callback body, I'm gonna take the list that was passed as state inside the callback. Select, create a random class, a random object, and select a random number, a random index from the list. With maximum the number of items in the list, and the winner is going to be that index. Okay, now I have selected a winner. I need to present it on the control that I placed on my screen. But in order to do that, I can't do it directly. I need a by content item proxy. Now that I have my proxy, I can invoke on it an action which is going to be take a reference of the actual control. assign its text property with the winner. That's pretty much all my logic. That's my logic. I need a few more things, which is I want to be able to stop the timer somehow. So if the timer is already assigned, I want to stop it. So I'm going to do that by specifying an infinite timeout, and then dispose my timer. Okay, and I think I'm ready. If everything is alright and I haven't messed up anything in my code, I should be able to run this application and randomly select a winner from a list. So this is the list of all the users that have registered for ITProDevConnection. You can see the text block on the bottom of the screen, and when I draw, and when I press the button, I get text which says and the winner is, and this is the random selection of the users. Once I've clicked again the stop button, I get the currently selected user, which is going to be the winner for the MSDN subscription. So of course there are other things that can be done, but this is the easiest way to select a winner from a list using LightSwitch. Thank you.